And I really want you to try to get that foot at least hip height. That's going to really engage those side muscles. We're going to pull the knee towards the chest, and we're going to push and reach away and maintain that lifting through the bottom rib. And we press out and reach. Again, the goal here is to really work these deep stabilizer muscles of the hip. Again, they help to have control when you're balancing on one leg and helps you to control that side to side movement. And again, lifting out, up through those legs. Brilliant. I want you to really feel as if you're tucking that bottom rib in and up to get into these oblique fibers. 2 more times, and then push. Now last one, and we're gonna make a micro adjustment. We're gonna allow ourselves to drop down. Allow your torso to go onto the ball. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna go into a side bend, and we're just gonna shorten up all the muscles on the top side and lift the top leg as high as you can. We're gonna come back down. And you can